Looking back, oh, 30 years ago, the world we live in is not the place we used to know. If your brother will shoot you to the ground and sorry later and take you for a clown, if your uncle will stab you in your back and start to laugh about the wicked act, if your sister will stone you to death, but turn around and started to fret.
Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious.
Alright.
Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious. Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious. Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious.
Looking back in the old century, whether them kill Paul Bogle and Annie, Sam Sharp and Marcus Garvey, their disappearance are history. In the 80s, things are happening so bad, man forget about the Lord God, yeah. Take up guns and knife in the hand, just to kill their only one.
Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious. Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious. Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious. Life get dangerous, cantankerous and vicious.
My next door neighbor after run left her house. Gunman kill even a cat and a mouse. One of my friends after live in the hills. Bad company nearly got her son killed, yeah. One of my sister after run away, her only child terrorist slay, yeah. Old my Sully lose one of his hand, yeah. It was shut off by a